Hello, I'm Luna. Welcome to English with Luna. Today, I'm going to tell you a calm and simple story in English, a story about family and a quiet evening at home. This story will help you improve your listening, your vocabulary, and help you feel more comfortable with English. So just relax, listen carefully, and if you can, repeat the sentences after me. Don't worry if you don't understand everything, just follow the story. Let's begin. It is late afternoon. The sun is going down slowly. The light in the house is soft, warm. Sofia arrives home. She opens the door quietly. Inside, everything feels calm. She takes off her shoes, puts her bag down, and takes a deep breath. "I'm home," she says softly. From the kitchen, her mother looks up. "Hi, Sofia," she says with a smile. "Hi, Mom," Sofia replies. The smell of food fills the house. Something warm, something familiar. Sofia walks into the kitchen. "What are you cooking?" she asks. "Just something simple," her mother says. "Rice, vegetables, and chicken." Sofia smiles. "That smells really good." Her mother laughs softly. "Good, dinner is almost ready." Sofia sits at the table. For a moment, she does nothing. She just looks around. The same table, the same chairs, the same quiet feeling. And somehow, it feels perfect. From the living room, her father is watching TV. The sound is low. Soft voices, soft light. Nothing loud, nothing stressful. Just home. Sofia stands up slowly. She walks to the living room. "Hi, Dad," she says. Her father looks at her and smiles. "Hey," he says. "How was your day?" Sofia thinks for a moment. "It was okay," she says. Her father nods. "Okay is good." Sofia smiles a little. Then she sits next to him. For a moment, they watch TV together. No words, just silence, but a good silence, a comfortable silence. After a few minutes, her mother calls from the kitchen. "Dinner is ready." Sofia stands up and walks back to the table. The evening is just beginning. Sofia sits at the table. Her mother brings the food. Warm plates, simple food, but it looks good. Her father sits down too. They are all together now. "Let's eat," her mother says. They begin slowly. Sofia takes a small bite. She smiles. "This is really good," she says. Her mother looks happy. "Thank you," she replies. For a moment, they eat in silence. Not uncomfortable, just calm. Then her father speaks. "So, what did you do today?" he asks. Sofia thinks. "I worked, I had a meeting, and I finished a project." Her father nods. "That sounds like a good day." Sofia shrugs a little. "It was okay." Her mother looks at her. "Sometimes okay is enough," she says softly. Sofia looks at her and smiles. "Yes, I think so." They continue eating, slowly, no rush. The room feels warm, safe. After a few minutes, her father tells a small story, something simple from his day. Sofia listens. Her mother listens. They laugh a little, not loud, just enough. Then Sofia speaks again. "Tomorrow, I want to wake up early," she says. "Why?" her father asks. "I just want a calm morning," she says. Her mother smiles. "That's a good idea." Sofia nods. "Yes, I think I need that." They finish eating. The plates are almost empty. The table is quiet again. but not empty, full in a different way, full of small moments and soft feelings. After dinner, Sophia stands up. "I'll help," she says. Her mother smiles. "Thank you." Together, they start to clean. Slowly, side by side. The evening continues. The kitchen is clean now. The plates are put away. The lights are soft. Everything feels calm. Sophia dries her hands and takes a small breath. Her mother smiles at her. "Thank you for helping," she says. "Of course," Sophia replies. They walk to the living room. Her father is still there, sitting quietly. The TV is on, but very low, just background sound. Sophia sits on the sofa, next to him. Her mother sits on the other side. For a moment, no one speaks, just silence, but a good silence, a peaceful one. Sophia leans back. Her body feels relaxed. Her mind feels slower now. "Do you want some tea?" her mother asks. Sophia nods. "Yes, please." A few minutes later, warm cups are in their hands. Soft steam rises. Sophia takes a small sip. Warm, comforting. "Nice," she says quietly. Her father smiles. They sit together, talking a little, then quiet again. No pressure to speak, no need to fill the silence, just being there, together. Sophia looks around the room. Everything is simple, familiar, real, and she feels something inside her, something calm, something steady. She didn't notice it before, but now she does. She looks at her parents. They are relaxed, present, here, with her. Sophia smiles softly. "This is nice," she says. Her mother looks at her. "Yes, it is." Time moves slowly, softly, like the evening itself, and for a moment, nothing else matters. The evening becomes quieter. The lights are softer now. The TV is off. The room feels still. Sophia sits on the sofa, holding her cup, almost empty now. She looks around. The same room, the same people, but something feels different. She feels calm. Her father stands up slowly. "I think I'm going to rest," he says. "Good night," Sophia replies. "Good night," her mother says. He walks away, slow steps, peaceful. After a moment, Sophia stands up too. "I'm a little tired," she says. Her mother smiles. "Me too." They walk together to the hallway. "Good night, Mom," Sophia says softly. Her mother looks at her. "Good night, Sophia." Then she adds, "I'm happy you're here." Sophia smiles. "I'm happy too." They stay there for a second, just a second. Then Sophia goes to her room. She closes the door gently. The room is quiet, dark, but soft. She sits on her bed, takes a deep breath, in and out. She lies down slowly. Her body feels light, relaxed. Her mind is calm. No stress, no noise, just peace. She closes her eyes and thinks. Today was simple, but it was good. And sometimes that is everything. Outside, the night is quiet. Inside, she rests. And the day comes to a soft end. Thank you for listening. I hope this story made you feel calm and a little closer to English. Maybe you understood everything. Maybe you didn't, and that's okay. Learning English is not about being perfect. It's about listening, feeling, and coming back again. You can listen to this story one more time, repeat the sentences, or just relax and let the words stay with you. Little by little, you will understand more. And one day, you will notice something different. You are not translating anymore. You are just understanding. Keep going. You're doing better than you think. See you in the next story.